Subscribe to Emma and Joey. Hey, Mom, can we get something to eat?
Oh, yes. Let's cook something yummy.
I love baked potatoes.
Good idea, Emma. We'll bake some potatoes.
This is gonna be fun.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
This is delicious.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Run, run! I am a monster.
Oh dear!
Don't scare us! Arr! Arr! Ooh, soup!
Emma, you're the sweetest girl, my baby. Won't you cut your hair?
No, no, I love my hair. It is so long, just like yours.
Baby, you need a cut, it will keep you very clean.
Emma, you'll look prettier too. It won't fall into the soup.
If you cut your hair now, it'll grow back really strong.
Okay, I want strong hair. Daddy, will you come along and pick a hairstyle for me?
Yes.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
Emma, how high or low do you want your chair to be?
I want it to be this tall.
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! How about this hairstyle?
Yes, this will be great. I have scissors and spray. Let's get started now.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
We clip away the extra hair. We'll give you a very cute hairdo.
The scissors go clip, clip, clip. The scissors go snap, snap, snap.
Emma, what do you think? Do you like your new hairdo?
I love is stuck in the tree. We need to get her down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Stay right there. Is Don't falling worry. Down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with haystacks, haystacks, haystacks. Build it up with haystacks. Let us save poor kitty. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Ah! Build it up with these pumpkins, these pumpkins, these pumpkins. Build it up with these pumpkins. Let us save poor kitty. Aha! Oh no, not again! London Bridge is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with you and me. Let's save poor kitty. Come on, kitty. Yay! Yay! We did it!
Good morning, Johnny.
Good morning, Mama.
Emma and Ginny, it's time to wake up, kids.
Won't you pick me up, Mama?
Breakfast is getting ready.
Yay! I love yummy pancakes.
No, Emma, we won't eat until you go and brush your teeth. As soon as you get out of bed, bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Nuh-uh-uh. Oh, Ginny, don't forget, let's get the candy out of your mouth. Your teeth like to be clean and strong. Bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Mommy, will you tell us a bedtime story?
Johnny, Emma, did you brush your teeth?
No, Mom. We brushed in the morning. Why do we have to brush again?
Your teeth will be healthy and clean. Your mouth won't be stinky and green. Right before you go to bed, bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Don't forget, morning and night, brush them twice a day. Subscribe to Emma and Joey.